welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video of one of my recent Chanel purchases, and I'll also show you a little gift I got from Dior, which I'm super excited about. So if you happen to be new here, hello, my name is Marie and I'm so glad you are here. I would love for you to consider hitting that red subscribe button down below. I make new videos each week and I would love to have you back. So with further ado, let's get straight into this video, and I'll start with showing you what I got from Chanel first. So as you can see, I have my little Chanel bag here and it's so pretty. I love that they always put a camellia on their bags too. But you probably can guess that I got a little something, and here you can see the box. Isn't it so cute with the camellia on it? Let me put it off. Here's the box, and I can't wait to open this one. Here's the box, and I got a little piece of jewelry. Here's another card, and I got some new earrings, and here they are. Aren't these gorgeous? They have like stones and pearls on them and they are just so perfect, and I'm so in love with them. I love the color and also the size. I actually have Chanel earrings on. As you can see, they are this sparkly earring, and since I haven't had any problems with stones falling out, I figured I need to get another pair of Chanel earrings. When I saw these, I just fell in love with them and they are just absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy that I got them, and I'll leave the article number of these down below in case you are interested in them too. But these were 430 euros and I got them in the store in Vienna. And I just love them so much. Let me put them on so you can see how they actually look on me. So guys, I quickly put on the earrings so you can see how they look, and here they are. As you can see, these are a bit bigger than my other ones, but that's just what I love about them because they stand out much more. And as you can see, they are silver, and as I mentioned, they have pearls and crystals in them. And I'll definitely keep you posted if I have any problems with these falling out, because I know that so many people have problems with crystals falling out of their Chanel earrings, and so far I haven't had any problems with my other Chanel earrings. So I hope that this time I'll be lucky too and there won't be any crystals or pearls falling out, but if so, I'll definitely keep you posted. But I'm so excited about this purchase. I'm so in love with them and I can't wait to wear them. So guys, the other thing I wanted to show you is the little gift I got from Dior, and as you can see, I have a Dior bag standing behind me. And I'm so excited because a few weeks back I was invited to an event at their boutique and they gifted me a little thing. I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to open it with you, but I have a feeling of what's inside. So I'll show you what's included in this gift bag. First, they gave me their little catalog, and I always love this one so much because I feel like it's so pretty, and I already have quite the collection of their Dior magazines, and I always use them on my coffee table because they are just so pretty. And also there was a little card inside, and here is the gift I got. And let's open it. It smells so divine. I'm so curious to see if my guess is right, but I feel like there's a candle inside. But let's look at it. Look at the packaging, it's so pretty. And it also has the little Dior B on top and CD written on it. And in here, I was right, I feel like. Look at this. I thought it was a candle. How pretty is this packaging? But it actually is a candle. Look. And oh my god, it smells so good. I need to know what scent it is. So good. I love it. Can I put it out? No, it's actually like this. So the candle comes in this package and it stays in the package apparently, or does it? I can't put it out. But it has bees all around it, so I feel like you should be able to put it out of the box. Yes, that was hard, but how gorgeous is it? Can you see it has bees all around in grey and gold, and it's so good. But it doesn't say what scent it is. I'll definitely ask my sales associate which scent it is because it's just so good. And in case you're interested in this candle too, you can probably purchase it. I think they have it for sale, but honestly I don't even know. But it's such a beautiful candle and such a nice gift. Honestly, the Dior customer service is just so great, and I always feel so welcomed in their boutique, and I'm just so excited about this candle. This definitely will find a good place on my coffee table too, so super happy about this one. But that's actually already it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe down below for more videos each week. And thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you soon. Bye!